Hi, I'm Marco. I am a director here at 3D Analyzer Software. I would like to welcome you to our new series called Analyzer Academy. The aim of these videos is to show you the 3D Analyzer software process from design to manufacture. We wanted to create an educational series that explains the entire joinery manufacturing process from start to finish. In this video we will be continuing our work on Jo2 kitchen island bench shop drawings. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos. The last step in the process is creating the nesting files and NC code for the CNC machine. For this, we are using Analyzer Cam. We should start with a new drawing. Then select the tab Panel Optimizer. We are nesting this job, but we can also produce pod machine code. The first step is to select the analyzer parts. We have to go back to the main menu and select our job. We select from our folder Home WMF, look for the work order number and then the job number. This shows all of the .txt files of each material used in this job. The first material is 18 mm white melamine board. Select this material and Analyzer Cam imports all of the parts. This list is like a cutting list. If there are parts we don't want to include in the nest, you can use the buttons Disable Parts, Enable Parts, Disable All and Enable All. By selecting the parts, you can exclude parts from the nest. On this job we are going to enable all of the parts, then press Continue to Optimization. This shows what machine we are going to make code for. We are producing code for a Woodtron flatbed machine in this case. The material is 18 mm melamine board. You can enter the plate, board panel length and width. Then the padding and plate trim is the size of the outside border left on the panel. The insertion point lets you pick the placement of the nested sheet. For this job, we will go with the default setting. Select Optimize Nest. This has optimized all of the parts into 2 sheets. This is a 3D drawing, so it is easy to check the allocated machining. For instance, you can see the lead-in and let-out path of the cutter. 2 paths have been applied. One is the rough cut around the part. The other is a final cut, set in 0.5 mm, cutting all the way through the sheet thickness. After checking all the allocated machining, we are happy to proceed with this result. The next step is the post-processor, which will produce the files for the selected CNC machine. The machine code produced is unique for every brand and type of machine. We must select the objects, in this case, the 2 sheets we have nested. Now it shows us the sheet size and material. We can give it a unique file name so the machine operator can identify it. I would call it whitemel18, then press Process. It will process the 2 sheets and create 2 NC files. The files can be checked in a folder called Machining Out. You can see the 2 files created. These files contain machine code that can be run directly by the CNC machine. Looking at the typical G code there, it is doing the drilling first and then further down the list, it is cutting out the parts. A directory for the label files has also been created. If you want to print labels, there is a label print application. To open this application, go to the Machine Out folder, open the current job and click on the label directory. For this tutorial, we will open the second sheet. Click on the board and press Open. This shows you the layout of the board. If you want to print out a single label, simply click on the part and it will print the label. The label looks like this. It tells you how to place it on the part with an arrow and has all of the basic part information. The labels can be programmed to suit individual needs. It also provides an image of the part as seen in analyzer manufacturing. This is the end panel label. It shows the edging information and edging material to be used. For this part the edging is white. You could also show the edge material thickness. The next step in the process would be creating the code for the rest of the materials. Clear the existing parts and select the next material you want to process. We will pick Formica Natural Oak 18 mm. You can see we are using this material for the external parts, doors, front panels, external backs and so on. We press the button Continue to Optimization. The board panel size is 2440 by 1220. Since this is a grained material, we can't allow part rotation, so we untick this. The next step is to press the Optimize Nest button. Then select the insertion point of the nested boards. This has created 5 nested sheets. You can see the waste area on the board has increased because we are keeping the material grain in one direction and not rotating parts. Now we continue with the post-processor stage. Select the boards you want to process. Give it a file name. We will call this for Nat Oak 18 and press the Process button. Now you can see the next material has been processed. A directory was created for the Formica_Nat_Oak and there are 5 sheets and a label file created. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. This is the final lesson of Season 1 J02 Kitchen Island Bench. We hope you have enjoyed Season 1 and found it interesting. In Season 2 we will be creating a custom reception desk. This is an interesting series as it highlights custom joinery build techniques. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss Season 2.